Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Affver Q6 Dash Cam. It's a 4K dash cam that is available on Amazon for around $80. This video will be composed of several parts. The first part will be about the unboxing of the dash cam, and I will tell you what's inside the box along with the dash cam. The second part of the video will be the specifications of the dash cam, and the third part will be installation and the use of the application. At the end of the video, we'll watch the performance of this dash cam, and I will try to compare it with a dash cam that I had previously. So stay with me till the end of the video. Let's start the review. Here is the box of the Affver dash cam. You will see several QR codes on the box that are linked with the application and the website of the dash cam. So you can get connected for any kind of help, and any problem that you face, you can just directly tell them by just scanning the code and going to the website. So this is a very good thing. So let's see what's inside the box. You will find the usual manuals, warranty cards, etc. If you don't know how to install, you can read those manuals and warranty cards and things like that. So here is the warranty card. It comes with a 1-year warranty, so that's a very good thing. Next in the box we have some static stickers. We have 2 static stickers inside the box that we can use on the windscreen, and we will attach a M sticker that is usually behind the dash cam on it. Here is the dash cam. The dash cam is pretty much small and a very compact design. I'm not a fan of dash cams that have screens, as I just like to hide the dash cam behind the rear view mirror. This dash cam feels quite solid and sturdy. Here is the M tape. The dash cam mount is removable, so you can easily detach the dash cam from the mount. The lens is movable, so that's a very good thing. This is the small LCD. Yes, I like the feeling of this camera in the hand. I hope it performs the same when it's on the road. It comes with a 64 GB memory card. Whoa, I dropped it. Let's see. Yes, it's 64 GB. Here is the dash cam cable, and here is an extra M tape. Let's see how is the charger. It is a cigarette lighter charger. I hope it has a USB-C type. Yes, it has a C-type connector, and the cigarette lighter has an additional USB insert, so you can use a USB device and your cigarette lighter will not occupy the port. Wow, it comes with a small trim removal tool. That is very good if you want to remove the trim and hide the wires. You will also find M clips that you can use to manage the cable while you are setting up the dash cam in the car. Let's see what else we have in the box. Wow, I think this pin is for removing the SD card. I really like that they have provided the things that are required for the installation of the dash cam in the car, and you will not have to buy them separately. Now let's talk about the specifications of this dash cam. The resolution is 4K at 30 FPS. It has a 5 GHz Wi-Fi. You can control the dash cam with an app or directly by the touchscreen. It has a 160-degree wide-angle lens, a G sensor. It supports seamless loop recording, 24 hours parking monitoring, but for that you will have to buy a hardware kit separately, and it had a storage of 64 GB in the form of a SD card. For installation of the dashcam onto the windscreen, we will stick this static sticker onto the screen. Before applying the static sticker onto the windscreen, clean it thoroughly, because if it's not clean, the sticker will not attach to the windscreen properly and it may fall off. I will just stick the sticker behind the rear view mirror because I don't like the dashcam to disrupt my view. Now I will attach the dashcam onto the static sticker. Make sure it is aligned properly. And now it's attached. It is tucked behind the rear view mirror so it will not disrupt my view. That's why I like this camera, because it's so small, it just hides behind that rear view mirror. Connect the charging cable onto the Type-C port. It is a little bit difficult by doing it with one hand. I will hide the cable behind the sun visor and rotate behind the handle and just push it behind the passenger seat along the pillar. I just tucked the cable under the carpet. This is how I wired the cable. I did not take apart any trim piece. I like doing it this way. I'll just it takes some force to go inside. The installation of the dashcam is complete. You cannot see the dashcam behind the rear view mirror, so that's a very good thing. Now let's start the dashcam and check it out. Start it up. Time is accurate.
Start recording.
And it has started recording. Now I will give a brief overview of the mobile app. By scanning the QR code, you can download the Pestio app. You have to find the dashcam in the Wi-Fi options. After you find it, you enter the password, that is 123456778. When the dashcam is connected for the first time, it will ask you for formatting the SD card. You can format the SD card from the settings menu. You can also view the recorded clips on the app. The app performs quite smooth and the user interface is simple. You can transfer the videos to the computer using the SD card. The file size is 170 MB for a 1-minute video. Here in the properties you can see the resolution is in 4K. It has a high bitrate, so the quality of the video is good. We will see how the videos are actually. Let's see the performance of this dashcam now. In this first clip, you can see that why a dashcam is necessary. This just happened while I was just driving around testing the dashcam. Luckily there was no collision, but in case there was a collision, I would have had proof, which would have helped me with my insurance claim. I am testing this dashcam on a cloudy day. Usually dashcams underperform in cloudy days, but this dashcam is doing quite well. There is no pixelation and you can still read the number plates of cars. I'm really impressed by the video of this dashcam. The view is very wide. You can see the sky and the contrast is good. Actually, it reminds me of the videos of GoPros in low light. This dashcam is really impressing me with its low light performance. A dashcam can perform good on sunny days, most do, but in low light they suffer. You can see all the lanes on the highway, and in this low light, still the picture is pretty much sharp. This is my first time experience with a 4K camera, and the difference is quite huge from a 2K dash cam that I was previously using. You can notice the details of this dash cam's video. Everything seems clear. Even in low light there is a very clean picture, almost like a GoPro. Here in this video you can see a comparison of the 2K dash cam that I previously had and the 4K Affver. So you can notice there is a difference between the clouds, the contrast. In the 2K camera you can see the clouds are blown out and it's very hard to see the sky, while in the 4K resolution camera you can see the sky is still visible and the colors are not blown out. This is a very stark difference, and you will notice there is very less pixelation. Let's stop here and you can see the text is quite clear in the 4K one and it's not clear in the 2K one. And these are very good differences. The colors seem more natural in the 4K camera. Now I will do another horizontal comparison of both of these cameras. The top video is being recorded by the 2K dash camera that I previously had. At the bottom, that's the 4K Affver Q6 Dash Cam. Even on a cloudy day, it's outperforming my previous camera, which was recording on a sunny day. There is no pixelation, the colors are accurate, the contrast is good. While the previous camera is all pixelated and the colors are blown out. So this was my review of the Affver Q6 4K dash camera. In my opinion, it's a very good upgrade for a person that is using a 2K camera. The colors, the composition, and there's no pixelation in the video. So I recommend this camera if you are looking for a budget 4K dash cam. It is for $80. I think it's a good option, but it's up to you that you like it or not. I have reviewed the dash cam. You can see the video and make your opinion about it. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, have a good one.